Okay, princess. Let's put a pasta together. And these are our ingredients. We've got pesto, camembert, chicken pate, and onions. The chicken's already cooked. We're going to put in our chicken pate and our onions. And our pesto. And pasta water. And give it all a scrape so we get all the yummy bits. And then the special magic bit, the cream. And then, in with that camembert. You can see how yummy that's getting. Oh. You can see it's starting to cut our spoon. Well, not yet, because it still drips. See? Got a little bit there. Run back down. Not yet. Oh, see? It's running a little bit slower, but it's still filling in our hole. Oh, perfect. Nice sharp line. We take it off for a second. Yummy pasta. A fusillia. Toss it all together. Get them all. I get all those good bits of sauce. And then, because it's the best bit, I'm going to put a little bit more pesto on top. Ta-da! Thanks for cooking with me. Love you all. Bye.